In tonight's News for Health, powered by healthkey.com. Of course, going to school should be a positive experience for little ones.
Yeah, but stories of children being bullied in school are becoming all too familiar. And a psychologist says parents play a big role in how children handle these tough situations. Bullying. Most children can tell you exactly what it is.
Bullying is usually when someone tries to hurt you and make you do what they say.
But what they won't tell you is that they need their parents to help them get through those difficult situations.
I felt angry because I didn't really know what to do. I felt scared and I didn't know how to react.
Psychologist Cheryl De La Sega says how children react to bullying all starts at home, right at the kitchen table.
Your child just really wants you to sit down and give them some empathetic listening. What happened next? Then what happened? Who was there? Tell me how you felt.
Parents have the power to teach their children how to be heroes on the playground.
I think that we all have a responsibility to teach our children to be good citizens and to value the community that they're part of in school.
And these kids are listening.
And sometimes when I'm getting bullied, I talk to my parents and I tell my teacher that I'm being bullied so they can help resolve it.
We need to create a positive learning environment because this thing can easily turn toxic.
Well, for more information on children and bullying, you can go to our website, fox43.com, and click on health.